Hi everyone, for today's cook-along I'm going to be showing you how to make a really simple and delicious chicken and potato tray bake. We're going to start by preparing the chicken. For this you will need garam masala, natural yogurt, garlic, turmeric, olive oil and salt. Start by adding some olive oil to the chicken, then adding on the spices. You can use as much or as little of the spices as you'd like, it all depends on your tastes. You can also add in any other herbs and spices you'd like, so cumin, cardamom and paprika would work really well, but I'm just keeping this really simple. Next, add in the yogurt and mix with your hands until the chicken is all really nicely coated. Then cover with foil or plastic wrap and leave it to chill in the fridge while you cook the potatoes. Wash and roughly chop your baby potatoes, then add to a pot of water and bring to the boil. Cook for about 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain them and add them to an oiled baking tray. Then season them with the same spices you've used for the chicken and mix thoroughly until they're all really evenly seasoned. Place your chicken on top of the potatoes and it's ready for the oven. Cook on 200 for 35 minutes until everything is really nicely golden. Once it's out of the oven, you can plate it up and serve it with your choice of veg or a nice simple salad for a really quick and easy meal. Thanks for watching, bye!